This is set up. This is where all the magic happens. This with the bright lighting is just going to be perfect on camera. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Desiree and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be giving you guys a sneak peek on my brand new stream room I just made. I am so excited for this. All right, let's go through a price breakdown of this room. So originally this wall was white. I wanted to change it black so that I could just have some lights pop up. I wanted to get a white sign. So first thing is $60 wall. Also on the wall, I got this custom neon sign. I paid $250 for this one. This was 32 inches. I thought that was the perfect size for this room. Next to it, I have these cute little cherries. And honestly, guys, these were a steal. I thought it was gonna be a lot more expensive. I was expecting like 50 to 80 bucks for something like that. Nope, $20. So I think it's well worth the investment. As you see here, I'm in this super comfy chair. This was something I wanted to make a good investment on. This has a footrest. This has a comfy back, a nice pillow. This was the perfect chair for me. And honestly, I only paid $250 for this. I have my headset. This is such a good headset, such a good brand, and this is such good quality. This one was $217. Again, crazy to think a headset and this big chair were almost the same price, but these are definitely worth it. And it's so cute. Keyboard right here. I love this keyboard. You guys should see this when it's plugged in and turned on. It is rainbow. It's beautiful at night. It's just the best. So I got this keyboard with the matching mouse it came with, and altogether this was $41.99. And then I got this nice little wrist pad. It's a cloud wrist pad. This was $18.99 for both of these. Here I have my mic. This mic is so cute again when it's plugged in because it is that same rainbow color. This was $100, and honestly you need to invest in a good mic because you need everyone to hear you. I say the craziest things, so I knew that it needed to be recorded on, and I have it here on this little stand. This stand was only $20, so this is definitely necessary. To go along with the mic, I have this little audio mixer here. This was $45. I think this is necessary to have just so you can kind of control everything going on. If you want to mute it real quick, if you have to talk about something you don't want everyone to hear, you can just quickly go down on it and mute yourself. I think it's necessary, but you never know. So I have my audio mixer. I have my 4K webcam. This is going to go on my monitor where all of my chats are going. This one was $40. I think this is a really good deal. I also have next to my audio mixer, I have my stream deck. You guys can't see it right now because like I said, it's not plugged in, but usually it's going to have every screen that I can change to. This is really important to have if you want to go from gaming, then back to chatting, then to a different platform. It just makes it a lot easier so you don't have to click around, go out of your game. So this one was $130, but it's so worth it. Here I have my two monitors. Like I told you guys earlier, these are two 27-inch monitors. Both of these were $200, so altogether $400, which honestly isn't bad. I thought that was a really good deal. They were running a sale. So this desk was honestly really cheap. It's a stand-up desk, so you can put it up as high as you want or as low as you want. This is perfect for me. This desk was $100. As you can see on my pretty face, there is these bright lights. These are really good lights. I paid $300 for these. These are like studio lights, and it's necessary, especially when gaming and streaming. You want to have really good quality light. This with the bright lighting is just going to be perfect on camera. All right, guys, the most important part. I was so excited for this to come in. I had been looking for weeks. I spent $1,600 on this bad boy. I know a lot of people don't think that's a lot for a PC, but to me, it is. And this is an upgraded one. This is one that everybody recommended to me. So I'm really excited. As you can see, I literally just took it out of the box. It is brand new. I haven't even used it yet, but I know this is gonna look beautiful. And if this is set up, this is where all the magic happens. You need a good one of these in order to have a good stream room. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. That is the breakdown of my full stream room. It is definitely worth it to invest in all of this. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.